I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see legcanopy.xyz reviews. Guys, in this video, I will help you knowing whether this website is legit or it is a scam. Also, this website is not ours and the review is completely unbiased. I have done a thorough research on this website so that I can come up with a true picture of this website, guys. Let's get started with the video. As you can see the home page, this website is selling swimming pool sets. You can see all swimming pool sets are of different sizes. But guys, one thing which created doubt in my mind was the price. As you can see, all different sizes of swimming pools are available at same price. And also the price is too low to be true. One more thing, guys, you can see here in the top left corner that they have said that they are the resellers of Intex, but this is not true at all. Let's have a look at some other important pages, guys. We'll see the About Us page. Here in the About Us page, you will see that they have mentioned that they are the part of worldwide family of companies with more than 40 years. And here in this last paragraph, they have mentioned that they are in operation from 10 years. But guys, here you can see the copyright is mentioned 2015 to 2020. But guys, this website is just 15 days old. So no way that this is in operation since 2015. Let's have a look at the contact us page. Okay guys, they have only mentioned an email address. There is no other way to contact the company. Guys, according to my research, this email ID is fake and it belongs to many other fraudulent websites like rootsuttle.shop, qofficial.com and many other websites. Also guys, there are some scam websites with similar appearance, and so I don't think so you should buy anything from this website. Please tell us in comment whether you have already bought something or not. Guys, let's see the return and refund policy page. The company is offering free return and exchange if it is made within 90 days from the receipt of item. Now guys, no other genuine website is offering 90 days time for the return of product. So guys, this website can be a scam. Also guys, I have searched out many customer reviews who have said that this website is a scam and they haven't received any product even after 10 to 15 days of their order. So guys, you are not recommended to buy anything from this website. Please guys, be aware of such scam websites. Guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button. Share your experience with us in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that we can come up with more website reviews for your help. Thank you and have a nice day.